Hello, my beautiful Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your bonus love messages for Feb 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it helped you out in some manner. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest. Okay, a very happy birthday to all of you Aquarius who are having birthday. You can let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's see what are the bonus love messages for my beautiful magical beings Aquarius for Feb 2021, which I need to deliver. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages which I need to deliver? And if you listen music in the background, I'm very sorry because there are a lot of people in my home who are listening music and they are dancing downwards in the room. Okay, so let me get all the messages first, then I'm going to give you. So there is a personal issue which is going to resolve right now, Aquarius, and you are very close for achieving your goal. Maybe there are some adjustments which are required to make, but you are good enough. Okay, and it is the time to take action. Luck is, as the luck is on your side, there is a new romantic cycle which is going to begin. Bottom of the deck, I'm having a win-win outcome is forecast, full moon in Libra. Okay, so the energy is gaining momentum and the a personal issue reaches resolution. So there is a personal issue which is coming on a resolution here. You are very close for achieving your goal. Maybe there are some adjustments which are required here, so you need to make some kind of adjustments, but you are very close to achieve your goals. Okay, you are good enough. It's time to take action. Full moon in Virgo, new moon in Aries. That's right, you are good enough, Aquarius. Okay, and it's time to take action here. Then there is luck is on your side and a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Sagittarius, new moon in Libra. So there is a new romantic cycle which is going to begin for you. Luck is on your side. These are the messages from the Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Cancer, Virgo, Aries, Sagittarius and the Libra. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Cancer, Virgo, Aries, Sagittarius and the Libra. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirit Oracle deck. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Give me the messages. Bad spirit, a rebirth is assured. Here it is, a rebirth is assured. Then there is peacock spirit, let it shine. Shine your light, Aquarius. Okay, you are the light. You are growing, you are expanding, you are, shining right now. So light, let your shine, let your light shine, let yourself shine like a star. Okay, 0440 was the recording reading time. Then there is dog spirit, be loyal to what you love. Whatever you love, do it, do it, Aquarius. And there is some kind of rebirth which is assured. That means a new beginning is coming for you. That is the message which I'm getting from the Animal Spirit. Thank you so much, Animal Spirit, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Use your intuition, Aquarius. Okay, intuition. You are right now very intuitive. Okay, so and there is forgiveness. Maybe right now you have to forgive anyone around you and even forgive yourself too. So let me see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Give me the messages. See, I told you there is a completion here which is happening for you. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Any other message? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having happy ending. So there is some kind of ending which is happening around you, Aquarius, but that would be a happy ending. Okay, happy ending is here. There is a party going on in my home actually. Everyone is singing and dancing downstairs, and that's why you maybe listen the music in the background. Okay, so there is effort and follow your dream. So you make to you have to make an effort. So and you have to make effort for Aquarius to follow your dreams. Okay, make effort to follow your dreams. Follow your dreams and make effort to fulfill these dreams. So need to follow your dreams, make effort for that. There is completion which is happening for you, and there is domestic harmony which is coming for you. There is some kind of completion, there is karmic completion too, and there is completion which is happening for you, and there are new cycles which are beginning for you, and there is domestic harmony which is coming for you. Then there is perseverance and self discipline. So yes, that is very much important for you. You need to make yourself have yourself, self discipline. Okay, self discipline is required. So here I am having self discipline and perseverance. Financial discipline is here also. Okay, so financial discipline you have to maintain for that. Then there is adventure. Adventure is coming for you. Okay, adventure is coming for you. Then there is self love. You have to love yourself. Maybe you are not loving yourself, Aquarius, so self love is indicated here. Love yourself first. Then there is communication, and in your main reading also I was having communication. Lot of communication is coming towards you from someone from your past. So communication is coming towards you. So these are the messages from the numerology deck, and the number which can be important for you is 4 and 5. 4 and 5 can be an important number for any of you. Okay, number 4 and 5. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Peace is coming for you. Let me see what are the messages from the spell casting oracle decks. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius for Feb 2021. What are the messages? Give me the messages. What are the messages? See, I told you that you need to forgive. Okay, forgiveness card has come here again. So forgive anyone. If you have to forgive who has hurt you in the past, forgive them, release them and let go them, and forgive yourself also. Okay, so forgiveness is here, and there is some kind of clarity which is coming for you. Okay, the answers you are waiting for. 0909 was the recording reading time. The clarity is coming for you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having travel, closures and answers. See, I told you. See, I told you. The answers are coming for you. The answers you are waiting. Okay, the answers are coming for you. You will get your clarity. If you are waiting on something and you want your answers, that answers are coming for you. There is some kind of closure here. Okay, see, you will get a closure of something. There is closure which is coming for you. Then there is a truth which is coming for you. The truth will be revealed to you, Aquarius, very soon. And some of you are going to travel. Travel is indicated here. Either you will travel through plane, Okay, if you are traveling, please take care of yourself. And if you're not traveling anywhere, this is a new chapter, a new journey which is going to start in your life, because I'm having here the new beginnings. Okay, a new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. A new happy beginning are coming for you. So beautiful messages are here from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages? Give me the messages. Intuition is here again. Okay, intuition is here. You are very much highly intuitive right now, Aquarius. Use your intuition. Your intuition is trying to guide you. Listen to your intuitions very carefully. Let me see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Give me the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. See, release. Again, the message is release. Release anything on which you are holding on too tightly. Let go anything on which you have to let go, Aquarius. Let go. Forgive them and forgive yourself too. Okay. Then again, see, adventure is coming for you. Lot of adventure is coming for you. 1133 was the recording reading time. You need to release anything on which you are holding on. Pay gratitude, okay, to the divine, to the universe, for giving beautiful things for your life every single day. Okay, have an attitude of gratitude, because whatever you are having right now in your life, not everyone have that in their life too. So always say thank you, divine, for giving these beautiful things to me. And there is awakening here. You are getting your spiritual awakening, Aquarius. You are in a process of awakening. You're getting your spiritual awakening here. So keep doing your inner work, keep doing your meditation, because awakening is happening for you. These are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. See, commitment is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having a creative endeavor and the happy success is coming for you. 1331 was the recording reading time. In your consciousness, you are feeling like I'm a successful person. I'm having a happy success, and that's great. Because in your consciousness, whatever you think, that will manifest in your real life. And there is a creative endeavor. There is an event which is coming for you. That is a creative endeavor. So beautiful. See, again, let go is here. Letting go, Aquarius, you need to release, let go anything on which you are holding on. There is something on which you are holding on. Okay, so please let go, release anything on which you are holding on. So there is a message for specific one, because you are having an energy of holding on. So letting go is the message for you. Then there is great gratitude. See, all I told you, in your consciousness, you have to have the attitude of the gratitude. Please say thank you to the divine. Feel great for having those things which you have in your life. So great gratitude is here. Then there is deserving. Yes, you deserving. In your intentions, you want to take steps. You are taking steps That's your intention, and in your consciousness you know that you deserve everything, and that's great, because you deserve everything, Aquarius. You deserve love, you deserve happiness, you deserve financial stability, you deserve everything, and that's beautiful because you are taking steps towards that. That's the message I'm getting here. And there is courage and the teacher. There is a pupil around you who is your teacher, who is your mentor, who is trying to teach you something, who will help you out in your life. So there is a teacher around you. Then there is energy of courage. So keep your courage with you, Aquarius. Keep your courage, keep going, keep your strength, and keep moving in a forward direction. Then there is intention, playing it safe. Aquarius, can you see there is a lot of crackers, there is a lot of beautiful things which are waiting for you, but you want to play it safe. Okay, you are waiting here, then you are saying that let the things come to me. That will not happen. You have to go there and see the things because you want to play it safe. That's the message I'm getting here. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the self-care card. See, I just release. So there is a specific message for someone here that you need to release, Aquarius. Release anything on which you are holding on. Let go anything in which you are holding on. Okay? Let go anything on which you are holding on. The first card for you is love. Choose love. Let your love become a powerful force for change. I told you, choose love over fear. Okay? Choose love. Let your love become a powerful force for change. That's the message here. Then there is listening. Okay, listen to your wise self. Let your inner compass direct the course of your life. See, I told you intuition, sorry, not intention, intuition. So listen your intuitions carefully. Okay, your intuition is trying to give you proper guidance. You need to listen to your intuitions. That's the message here I'm having. Then there is help. Ask for help. Receiving is an act of generosity. If you require any kind of help, you can ask for help. You can let me know also in the comment section. I will be glad that I help you out in some manner. So that's the message which I am getting for you. Thank you so much for giving these beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. These two wants to come out. Okay. Set your intention. I even don't shuffle also and it just want to come out. Okay. Set your intentions, Aquarius. Set your intentions. See, intention. I just said intention few minutes back, few seconds back while I was describing you intuitions. You need to set up your intentions. Okay. What intention you are having. Then there is understand your body. Maybe your body is trying to give you some kind of message. So you need to understand that message and care your body. Take care of your body because this is the vessel of your soul. So you need to take care of your body too. Then see again the message is forgive yourself. Forgive yourself, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is possess self-confidence. You are having a self-confidence. Confidence is a key to success. Keep your confidence, keep your courage, keep your strength with you. And abundance is your right. That's right. I told you that abundance is your right. Okay. So you are having abundance of everything. Keep going that. Beautiful messages from your guides. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. See, I just cut it out and what I got. Karma is in your side. Okay. Your good karma is going to pay you back. Okay. Karma is on your side. That's the message which I got for you from the universe. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius from the universe. Let's see what are the messages universe wants to give. Honor thyself. Okay. Honor yourself first. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Honor thyself. Okay. Love yourself first, Aquarius. Just curious, when was the last time you look into the mirror and address yourself as gorgeous, magnificent, or sublime? It matters, okay? So you need to honor yourself first. Then there is love in spite of it all, okay? There is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. There is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. Beautiful message. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness, Aquarius. You are a unique being. So enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. If they once loved you, they still do. Okay? If they once loved you, they still love you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck of universe, notes from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your bonus love messages for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. See you soon.